Hello class, again this is a continuation of our previous topic, and our topic for this video is variables. Variable is a named data storage location in your computer's memory. So variable needs to be declared in order to use in C++. So to be able to declare a variable, there is a need to specify the data type and a valid variable identifier. So na-try na natin siya kanina. Nag-declare tayo ng variable. Nag-add tayo ng data type. Kailangan mo muna i-identify kung anong klaseng data ba siya. Then, the name of the variable na you yourself, ikaw mismo nagpangalan sa variable na yon. Then, you can assign value already or pwede rin namang hindi. Okay? All variables in a program must be declared before their use. So, the declaration takes the form. So, ganito ang format natin kapag magde-declare tayo ng variable. Type, variable, list, and later on, pwede kang mag-assign ng value. For example, int x. So, meron kang data type. Ito yung type, that is integer. And ito yung variable list or yung variable name. So, you can declare int x, int y, int z, int c, long, big, number. So, any name of variable will do as long as we do not violate the 4 rules I've discussed on the previous videos. So, meron tayong rules pa rin. Yan, sa variable. So, in initializing variable, now we may be initialized by assigning constants to them, either at the time of their declaration or at a later time. Ibig sabihin ng variable initialization, you can assign already a value for this variable. For example, itong xi may value na agad na 10. You already assign a value for this variable. Y, ilagyan mo agad siya ng -3. So that is already its value. Z ay nilagyan mo agad ng 2. And the long big number. Actually, pwede rin namang hindi. It depends on the needs. Kung kailangan ba talaga siyang maglagay ka ng number. Okay. Another way to initialize variable is to assign them values after the variables have been declared as shown below. For example, itong long big number. So, as is siya. Hindi ko siya nilagyan right after the declaration. But, nilagyan ko siya dito. Big number is 10,000. Hindi ako naglagay dito, but again, dito ako nag-initialize. So, pwede yon. Pwedeng hindi ako dito maglagay ng 10, pero dito ako naglagay sa baba ng x is equal to 10. No, that's another way. But again, kung ano yung mas madali para sa iyo as a programmer, so yun ang iyong gawin. Initializing variables. Yan. Though, dahil may value na siya, and integer is a whole number, and it can be used for computation, later on, pwede mo siyang gamitin to compute. For example, we can add another variable here. Let's identify first the data type. For example, integer, then result. Pwedeng walang laman tong result na to. Magkakaroon lang siya ng laman kapag nakabuo ka na ng formula, then dito mo ipapasok yung answer. Then you can create a formula. If you don't want to assign value for this variable, you can create a formula using this variable. For example, let's remove this big number first. Yan. So, I have x, y, and z and the int result. Then, I will create a formula here. I want to add these three values. Gusto ko silang ipag-plus-plus lahat. Ang gagawin natin is result is equal to x plus y plus z. So, this is my formula. So, kung ano man yung magiging answer if I plus these three numbers, so that will be the content of the result. Now, gusto nating i-display yung answer. So, we have to add cout. Then, I will call the variable result. Okay, wala tayong inassign na value for result, but then, we added formula. So, kung ano man yung magiging answer, kapag pinag-plus-plus natin itong tatlo na to based on our formula, so that will be the result. So, let's try to run the program. Okay, 9. So, the result is 9. So, if we try to add these three numbers, 10 plus 2, 12 plus negative 3, so the answer will be 9. So, that is how variable declaration, variable initialization, and variable computation works. So, I hope you learn from this video. Thank you.